सकते हैं कंडीशंस को। और विंड फैक्टर का कह सकते हैं, जब इस एंड से बॉल डाल रहे थे हम पवेलियन की दूसरी तरफ से, तो अच्छा सपोर्ट मिल रहा था विंड का और स्विंग हो रहा था बॉल स्टार्टिंग में एक साइड को। लेकिन जब दूसरे एंड से बॉल डाल रहे हैं आप, तो अगेंस्ट द विंड भाग के आना पड़ेगा आपको, एंड उसमें देखना पड़ेगा कि क्योंकि बैट्समैन उससे ट्राई कर रहे थे शॉट्स मारने के, उस साइड छक्के ट्रैवल कर रहे थे काफ़ी, तो वहाँ पे आपके डिफेंसिव ऑप्शन क्या है ज़्यादातर, और कैसे आप विंड को ज़्यादा प्ले में ना लाएं और कैसे उस तरफ से डिफेंसिव रहें और इस तरफ से अटैक करें। आसान मुश्किल का ये नहीं है भाजी, अगर अच्छे से प्रिपेयर किया जाए और कंडीशंस के साथ आप जितनी जल्दी अडेप्ट कर सकते हैं, तो वो चीज़ काफ़ी हेल्प करती है आपको आगे फ्यूचर में भी। एंड क्योंकि पीछे भी जो 2 मैचेस खेले हैं हम, वहाँ पे भी एक तरफ से हवा चल रही थी, तो काफ़ी यूज टू हो चुके हैं अभी प्लेयर्स, एंड आइडिया आ गया किस तरह से उसको हैंडल करना है। द थॉट वॉज क्लियर भाई, our batters also batted on the same wicket, and early on it was easy to score runs, the ball was coming on nicely, but afterwards it became tough to hit boundaries. So we knew when we get a couple of wickets, it will be tough for the new batters coming in to hit boundaries at will. So that was the plan, and a couple of nice overs from the spinners in the middle overs helped us. I guess a lot of credit goes to Jassi bhai, because he puts a lot of pressure on the batters. He gives 3 or 4 runs in an over, so batsmen are coming hard against me, and when they are trying, I just have to try and bowl my best ball, and there are a lot of chances of getting wickets there, because on the other end they see the runs are not coming and the asking rate is going high, so they take more risk against me, and there's a chance always of getting a wicket there. So I guess there's a lot of credit that goes to of my wickets that goes to Jassi bhai. It was very important because as I said before, from one end it was very hard for the bowlers to even pitch the ball, and the ball was flying to the boundary. So having that cushion of extra 15 to 20 runs always help as a bowler, and gives you that extra freedom to go for the wicket, because eventually you're going to go for runs in this format. So if you're taking wickets, you have upper hand in this game, and when you have 15 to 20 more runs on the board, you always have the leverage to try a couple of more things. काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया सर, जब भी वो खेलते हैं तो काफ़ी एफर्टलेस शॉट्स मारते हैं, सिक्सेस काफ़ी लंबे लंबे मारे उन्होंने, और ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि हिट कर रहे हैं बॉल को, बहुत ही प्यार से सहलाते हैं और काफ़ी दूर जाती है बॉल, तो काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा था, काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया, एंड होपफुली कोशिश करेंगे कि अगली 2 इनिंग में भी ऐसी मारे. Right now not expecting anything out of that game, just will have a little celebration after this game, and a long travel day ahead, and then we'll see what conditions there are and how we can do our best there. It is exciting when you come to World Cups, and in the knockout stages you have really nice opponents, but as I told you, our motto here is stay where your feet are, and right now we are just trying to enjoy this moment. Sir, as a team, we always talk in the dressing room that personal scores doesn't matter much as long as the team is doing nice. So we knew he's a legend, and the big knock was around the corner all the time. So we were not surprised by the way he played today, and it came off really well. And even in the coming games, we just hope he does the same for us. Kuldeep is a champion spinner. Whenever he gets a chance, he delivers, and he's always been in the wickets. And today as well, he was bowling from the tough end, and even against the wind, he managed to bowl at around 6 and over and took crucial wickets. So he's a really important player in our team, and we are looking forward to take all from him, and we hope he takes a lot of wickets.